Hi, nice to see you today. Looks like you're coming in for an oil change, and we're going to do something a little different this time, Charlie. I'm going to have my tech grab the car right now and perform a cursory inspection. Let me grab your key, and I'll set it right here and message him that it's ready. While he's doing that, I'll write up the car for the oil change. And I saw your question about the squealing noise on your web appointment. We'll take care of that in our comprehensive inspection later, and then we'll go over some previous recommendations.
Yeah, there was some things from last time. I just don't remember what needed to be done.
Great, let me turn the screen around for you now. Last time you were here, it looks like we recommended some brake pads. As you can tell by the picture here, there's about 2 millimeters left on those rear pads. Is it okay to get that going for you today?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Okay, very good. And it looks like we took a picture of the air filter last time. It was pretty clean, but we'll check it again just to be sure. Oh, and look, the technician has already finished a cursory inspection. And it looks like you've got a blinker not working. Should we get that taken care of while it's here too?
Do that.
Very good, I'll make sure we'll take care of that. Charlie, while he's performing the oil change, we're going to perform the complimentary comprehensive inspection for you. Now, as soon as the inspection is complete, the technician will notify me, and I will send it to you electronically. Would you like it emailed, or do you prefer a text message? Turning a drop-off from a transaction into a valuable experience for the motorist is key. The following 3 main components of the digital shop help create a trusted experience, which improves more work than the initial concern and prepares for the next interaction. Make sure that previous declined work is brought back to the forefront. We do this by showing images from declined work and make sure to mention that wear and tear items may have changed. We know how to reach the motorist electronically. Ideally, both email address is captured and the customer is asked for permission to send a text message. Emailed or texted inspection results with pictures and videos of problem areas, but also mint conditions, good areas, enables such a rich education for the motorist on the go that the approval rate increases, and so does the ARO. Manage and time the next steps as best you can. When a motorist knows the exact time the inspection results are due in the inbox or on their phone, they may not want to wait to see how their baby's doing.